Alright, and we're back. Here we go. We're going to hook up a DC motor. DC means it's not AC. Hook up the negative side. And go to the yellow wire with the black wire. And then we're going to go to the red wire. Alright, so starting off with one battery. I put this little piece of tape on the motor so it's real obvious to see. One battery, very slow. 2, 3 volts, 4.5, 6, 7.5. You can see it's speeding up and up and up. Now, from your vantage point, this is turning counterclockwise. So I'm going to leave this wire on here. Now I'm going to trade these wires. And put the black one on the blue this time. And the red one on the yellow. Now it's going clockwise. This is typical of a permanent magnet DC motor. They are polarity sensitive. They'll turn one way, and if you reverse polarity, they'll turn the other. So I got another motor here. Little wee motor. It's got a gear train in there. There's a whole pile of gears from the silver thing to the end. So it doesn't turn real fast, but those gears give it torque multiplication. So I'm unhooking this motor and I'm hooking up this motor. Yellow wire to black and red wire to blue. Alright, turning on the power, and here we go. One battery. 2. Now this motor is rated at 6 volts and we're at 6 volts. But you can always push things a little beyond. You just got to watch the heat. And there's 12. Again, this is turning clockwise now. I'm going to change the wires. Now it's counterclockwise. So again, it's a permanent magnet DC motor and it is polarity sensitive. So I've got a small electromagnet here and I'm powering it up.